So hi, first of all, I finally managed to fix the fans on my server, so it's not that loud anymore. Well, heck. Second of all, well, there is no second of all. This. I bought this thing off of AliExpress, and this was supposed to be Xiaomi blower something. However, it was like 20 euros, 25 euros. However, yeah, it's not Xiaomi and it's a fake one. But for 20 euros, this is a good little thing. Now, fast forward to the future, I've seen some advertisements and I decided to get myself something that's supposedly a bit stronger than this. So, the world's #1 portable fan brand. #1 may not be included. JisuLife. Now, I did think I bought the Pro version, however, I bought this thing, which is Ultra1. So basically, what does it say? Input 5 volts 2 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amps. So this is kind of cool. 9000 milliampere battery. This is product size. Bullshit. Okay, yeah, I mean, switch, you know, 100 speed personal fan. Yeah, like you're gonna need like 53.5%. Well, 0.5 would be even more than 100, but yeah. 18 watts fast charging. Okay, cool. 6 hours of battery life. Basically, there is nothing on the box. Okay. I mean, I am going to throw the box in the trash anyway. Okay, fancy pull tab. Okay. To be honest, I don't like these fancy unboxings because, as I said in all of my previous videos, they just kill trees. So, yeah. They actually say in here, the data source is Euromonitor International Shanghai, measured in terms of global sales revenue of portable fans in 2022. Ah, well. This is the fan. Okay, we get a fancy pouch. This is kind of cool. Accessories, and this is the stand. So I think that this one and this one are basically the same. So you know what, I'll be testing the air speeds, you know. And this one. Now the box is actually nice, but I hate boxes, so yeah. Let's see what's inside the accessory pack. Okay, lanyard, and I can tell you right away, this is actually good quality. This is metal. Cool. Okay, this is awesome. USB-C to USB-C and USB-A to USB-C. Somebody had a brain. Basically, this is the smallest manual there is, but it's a fan. And there is one thing you do not need to read manual for, it's a fan. And having said that, what the fuck is this thing for? Okay, this is a brush for cleaning the fan. Okay, this is awesome. Okay. Let's take a look at the fan. Okay, this is nice. And there is a motivation quote in here. Be yourself, be the best. So should you become a fan? Okay, this is out of the box. This does look cool, I can tell you right away. And there is like some kind of warning sticker, which I will be removing because fuck warning stickers. Do not put your fingers or foreign matters into the fan cover. Do not cover blah blah. Basically every other fan ever. Okay, let's turn on the light. Let's see the light. Okay, it's not turning on. Well, that's promising. Let's turn on the fan. 95%, and that's not that much. For 95%, okay, it's at 1%. By the way, this is quiet. And this is powerful. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, now it is a bit louder, but oh wow. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. And without the and just to show you how this thing actually gets loud. So this is the noise. Yeah. Okay, but let's be fair. You know what? Yeah, this one is just... Okay, to be fair, yeah, but as you can see, this is very powerful. Okay, how about this one? Without a problem. So, how about this pointy one? No problem whatsoever. And this one actually gets hot rather soon. So far this one is cold. This one already got hot. Basically, this one has a bit better airflow. It is way more expensive, and it has a stand, which is kind of cool, I guess. You can finally place it somewhere. And it is way heavier than this one, but you know what? I do wonder if this thing can be used as a USB-C charger. If it could, that would be awesome. But you know, they didn't mention it on the yeah. So I'll be definitely keeping this one. Too bad this thing is not the power bank. I mean, it does look way better quality than this one. Although these types of things can surprise. Oh, and by the way, the lamp this one actually has is a functional lamp, right? It blinks. It can give you like seizures, but that's it. This thing, on the other hand, what the fuck? This is a lamp. What? If you put it like this, what? Seriously. This is their definition of a lamp. Why? Idiots. And yeah, fun fact. When you put this thing inside, you don't actually have enough space to put all of this thing inside, all of the extension part. So why make something like this? It's stupid. This one, on the other hand, it actually has the pouch in which you can put every single extension. Stupid. A couple of more things. I wanted to open this thing to see whether I can change the battery, and the good thing is, yes, I can. The bad thing is, this fucking cable is so short, I cannot connect it because the motherboard is in here. And now, since I have no idea how they assemble this thing, I'll just extend the wires. So that'll, I think, do the trick. But the good thing is you can change the battery, but the bad thing is that the connector is, well, in here. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but so it's in here. And when you press this thing inside. Oh, and one more thing, this one is supposed to be 9000 milliampere hours, but it's not. It's 4500, and since these are in series, not in parallel, it's basically 4500 7.4 volts. So there's that. So fast forward in the future, I had to remove all of this thing because this has no place inside. And by the way, yeah, to install it, take a look at the yeah, there is no overheat protection, so this battery, I don't know, this does not make me happy. I'll probably like put some protective like coating, but this is yeah, this is not good. This is not good at all.